Route 66, Tales of a Beekeeper's Daughter, April 5th, 1972, 54 years ago, because it's April 5th, 2026. I was 12 years old. We were riding in the pickup going on some errands to Idaho Falls from Shelley. My sister-in-law, Radine, was driving. My nephew, Brian, was in there, her son. My dad had been out to the bees, and he thought he cleaned it all out, but I guess there was a lone bee in there. My mom was highly allergic to bee stings, which I mentioned in an earlier video. And just a note here, statistics show that beekeepers' wives are at a higher risk of developing a severe allergy compared to the general population, known as beekeeper's wife syndrome. So as we drove away, she was stuck within minutes. She said, "Turn around for my bee venom kit." And she directed my sister-in-law, Radine, to do so, and she started passing out, and no one knew how to give the injection. We got there, but we couldn't find the bee venom kit. Finally found it. She started giving it to herself, but then my brother realized that that was not going to work. There's no EpiPens in those days. So my brother Roy picked her up and carried her out and put her in the car. He told me later that he drove about 100 miles an hour or more, while Radine was trying to keep her up and trying to keep her just in a state of alive for that moment. When she arrived, they hooked her immediately up to machines and kept her alive for, I thought it was 5 days, but most people said it was 1, 2, maybe 3 days at the most. So that being said, she passed away the morning of the 5th. My dad came to get me at school. I was at the old Goodsell Elementary, and there was a big staircase there. And he came to get me to inform me. He came to the class, and I heard my teacher, I was in 6th grade, Mr. Morrell, say, "Oh, I'm so sorry." And then he called my name, Virginia, and my stomach just dropped because it was for me. What could it be? And as I walked out there, and he shut the door, and as we were walking away, he said, "Your mom passed away." I just started crying. I couldn't believe it. As he walked down the stairs and to exit out, I then said, "Oh no, I forgot my homework." I walked back up. Yeah, I know. But that's just the kind of person I am. I went back into my class and got my homework. This being Easter, though, is a special time for me. I do believe in the life after this, and I will see her again because of the resurrection of our Lord Jesus Christ. This event has actually made me stronger, though. Some may say it's a traumatizing event, and probably so. But I think I'm stronger and more empathetic towards people because of this situation and this event that happened. And you can overcome almost anything if you have events like this and trials. I'm almost thankful that I have had some trials so that I've become stronger and I can help others. It has also taught me how short life is and that we're here to help and serve one another. Have a sweet day.